Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can preload Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to preload Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your Steam or your Battle.net platform easily. First off, I'm going to show you how to do it on Steam. You're going to open Steam up and then you're going to go into Store. You're going to search here Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and once you buy the game, you're going to go into your library. You're going to have Call of Duty Black Ops 7 here. You're going to right click on it, go into properties, go into DLC, and you'll have Call of Duty Black Ops 7 here. You'll just click on the checkbox then, and then you'll click on install, and then Call of Duty Black Ops 7 will start preloading on your computer on Steam. And if you want to do it on Battle.net, you're going to go into Battle.net, you're going to go into shop, you'll have Call of Duty here, click onto Black Ops 7 then. You'll buy the game from here, then you'll go into games, and then you're going to click on to Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And once you click on install, you should have a menu like this, and then you're just going to click on to Black Ops 7 here and make sure you tick all three of these check boxes and then click confirm, and then Black Ops 7 will start downloading on your computer using the Battle.net platform. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.